Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are going to be making decorations for the Christmas tree. So you guys know I love like vintage and retro type things, and I've been thinking about kind of retro style decorations lately. So one of the items that I wanted to recreate, although like actually not really, is popcorn balls, because like the idea of it is super cute, right? Like you make popcorn balls and you string it up on a garland, you put it around your tree, and like it just seems awesome. But then like when you think about it, it also seems weird to like put food on the tree, and then it's like, well, how long do you leave it on there? Like, do you eat it afterwards? Are you just wasting food? Like, I don't know. And I don't know enough about the history about it. I'm guessing it's from a time period when it was difficult to get decorations for the tree, so this was like an inexpensive way to decorate. Or maybe it was just like a treat for the kids. Like, I honestly don't know anything about it, and I should probably do some research, but that's not the point of today's video. Today's video is making fake popcorn balls. So I have these. I got them from, I think, Target, and what they are fake snowballs. So they're this like squishy, I don't know if, I mean, they seem kind of like yarn, but they're like incredibly fluffy. Can you see that? And they like make the slightest noise, but they're just like, they're really fun to squeeze. And you can kind of shape them like a snowball, sort of. Like they really do kind of hold up to the shape of it, but they're dry, obviously. They're just like, think of them as like an incredibly fluffy yarn pom-pom. But I think they kind of look like popcorn balls, right? Like they're the right size, they're kind of neat. So I thought I would string these up on a string and put them on the Christmas tree and see if I like it, see if it's like worth making popcorn balls for the tree. So this is gonna be the world's easiest craft. I have 7 indoor snowballs, now popcorn balls, because that's what we're gonna use them as. The package actually comes with 8. I think it was $3 at Target, just like in their impulse section. But yeah, so it came with 8, and somewhere between opening them, figuring out what I wanted to do, throwing them around the apartment, and setting up my equipment to film, I lost one. So we have 7, and we're literally just stringing them on a line. Like that's all it is. It's super, super easy and super fast. Actually, I don't even know if the needle will go through the center of this. I do know that the ball is bigger than the needle, so it's gonna be interesting. But that's what I want to do. I want to give it a try. So I'm gonna thread my thread, put it through all these, and like load up the garland and put it on the tree and see if we like it. So we're gonna take one of the balls, pick a spot and push it through. Oh, it goes through so nicely. Ooh, and it comes out right where my finger was. But yeah, wow. I can't tell you how nice it is just to have a craft where the needle just like glides through like butter. That never happens. And I'm always like cursing my fate, and my poor fingers are like busted and blistered by the end of every craft, and it's super sad. So there we go. Got the thread just hanging out the back, but it really doesn't do much. So for this, you could use fishing line, you can use white thread, or you could use a pastel. This is a baby pink thread because I didn't feel like going to the store or ordering thread for this craft. I just used what I had because I wanted to. So I'm gonna go probably, I don't know, let's figure out how far I want these spaced. Probably about here. Maybe tie a little slip knot in there. I didn't think about this earlier, but I don't want them super close together. So I'm just gonna tie like the tiniest little slip knot, and hopefully that's gonna help keep them separated on the line. Just like that. Once it's in the tree, it's not gonna move too much, so I'm not super worried about it. So the needle went up in there, and where is it? Where is it? Okay, I found a split in the snowball. If I can aim for that. Oh, I don't want to, there we go. I was like, I don't want to risk stabbing myself, but it just comes right through, so that's fine. As easy as this slides through, it's also got a fair amount of tension between the ball and the thread, which is really nice because it makes me feel like it's not going to slide around any more than I want it to. And that maybe the slip knot isn't even necessary, but I've got it in there, I'm keeping it in there, and we are gonna see what we end up with. Just gonna put the next one right through here. Scary, scary, scary. Oh, I think I see it. There it is. Let's do it again. I don't know, I'm abandoning the slip knots. I'm just gonna like thread these all and see where it gets me, and that's gonna be that. I'll adjust them once they're on the tree, it'll be fine. Push through. Where's the needle? Oh, there it is. These things are like way too puffy. Last one. This is it. This is our garland. If I can find the needle. Story of my life. There it is. Almost stabbed myself that time. There we go. We're going to cut the thread and put the needle away. Okay, so I just tied a knot there. We're gonna pull this one towards the end and kind of even them out a little bit. This is it. It looks good. No, it looks super cute. It looks super cute. All right, I'm gonna lay this on the floor, change the camera angle so you can see it. We're gonna put it on the tree and see what we think. All right, so those are the popcorn pom-pom balls on their thread laid out. It just kind of starts there and then goes around like that. So it's pretty long, and we're going to get it on the tree, and they're just going to be floating little snowballs of happiness.